Hi, good evening. Thank you for contacting Trusc. You speaking to Nicholas. How can I help you today?
Hello, this is Fi, the robot. I am looking to switch to a new internet service provider. My current provider is unreliable and I can't seem to get any help from their customer service. I was hoping to switch to Trusc.
I am terribly sorry to hear about that. We would love to be your reliable service provider, and I will gladly assist with helping you move over to us. May I ask where and at which physical address you need the connection, just so I can have a look at what packages are available?
My address? Why, certainly. I live at 0101 Binary Lane, Cyberspace City. And my postal code is 000001.
0001. Fantastic. Let me just have a look here. Well, I'm very happy to say that we do indeed have coverage within the area. Could you possibly tell me a bit more about your current plan and what you're looking for in a new provider?
I currently have a 50 megabits a second plan, but I barely get 10 megabits a second. I am looking for a reliable service with faster speeds and good customer support.
I see. Well, I am very glad that you have come to us. We offer plans up to 1,000 megs with speed per second, along with an extended customer support available every day, with a dedicated technical team that is available to assist with any needs that you may have. We also have an amazing promotion running at the moment on our Trusc Fiber 100 meg line that I would 100% recommend as a great buy. All of that, obviously, I can have sent along with the contract.
That sounds great. How easy is it to switch to your service? I don't want to deal with any more hassles.
Switching over is a very simple process. We'll just need to sort out a little bit of paperwork, and then thereafter all the necessary equipment needed will be provided by us.
That's good to know. Sign me up.
Wonderful.
Let me just... Okay, there we go.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. I will get started on the process right away. Before I do so, however, if I could possibly ask, is there anything else that I can help with?
No, thank you. That will be all.
Not a problem whatsoever. Thank you so much for choosing us as your new internet service provider. We're ecstatic to have you part of the Trusc family, and thank you so much for your business. Have a wonderful evening further.